How's it going today, YouTube, and welcome back to Shaner's Mechanic Life. Have you ever wondered what makes the battery that's in your car or truck any different than the battery that's in this electric forklift? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you, and the answer just may shock you. Here we go. Now, every lead acid battery found in your car, truck, motorcycle, boat is basically all constructed the same way. Now, every battery is made of a number of different cells, and that number of cells dictates what the voltage of the battery is. If you carefully remove the caps, I'll show you what I'm talking about. This battery has 6 cells, all hooked up in series, which means one to the next, to the next, to the next. Each cell of a fully charged lead acid battery has 2.1 volts. So just for the sake of math, let's just call each cell 2 volts. So this this battery has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 volts. This battery has 3 cells. So 2, 4, 6. This is a 6 volt battery. And this golf cart battery, that one has 4 cells. So 2, 4, 6, 8. It's an 8 volt battery. So basically you just have a number of different cells all cast into one battery. Now with this forklift, this is where we get a little bit different. Now at first glance, this forklift battery looks pretty overwhelming, doesn't it? But you just think about it. Here's your battery hookup. Here's your positive cable. And that's your negative cable. These batteries are all hooked up in series. Let me show you how. Now these forklift batteries are basically individual cells, all installed in a metal case. And the amount of cells tells you the voltage of the battery. So we'll start at the positive terminal. As you can see, there's a positive on the casing and a negative there. So that one cell is 2 volts. If you look at the cables, it goes from negative to positive, negative to positive, and you just follow it along. Comes to here, and it joins the second row. Each cell is 2 volts, and each time you go negative to positive in a row like that, you're hooking them up in series. The voltage of the battery is going up by 2 volts every time. We're into our third row. And so on. And so on. You can see we're still going negative and positive, negative and positive. And then over to the last row, to our negative terminal. Both of them come to here, and that's where it plugs in to the body. So if every one of these individual cells is 2 volts, and they're hooked up in series like this all the way across, and you look at it, we've got 40 cells times 2 volts each. This is an 80 volt battery. So really, when you think about it, the only difference between your regular automotive battery in your car or truck and this forklift battery is just due to the fact that your automotive battery just has 6 cells all encased in one plastic housing, whereas your forklift batteries and other industrial batteries are just individual cells all installed in basically a metal basket and hooked together in series. Now whenever you're dealing with batteries or electricity, I always recommend get someone to do it who's trained in it and knows exactly what they're doing. That way you know it's done right and it's done safe. I hope this video helped you learn the difference between different batteries, how to tell what voltage a battery is, and how batteries are hooked up in general. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section. If you like this video, Hit that like button if you want to see more like it. Hit that subscribe button and notification bell. That way you get notified when I get more videos coming out. Just want to end this video by thanking everybody who leaves comments, hits that like button, and subscribes. Thanks a lot, and I really appreciate it. Well, that's it for tonight, everybody. Have a good night, and thanks for watching.